Ynab versus actual budget, which is actually better.
Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you whether Ynab or actual budget is the better budgeting tool for you. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. So, the first thing that you want to know is that Ynab is a well-established budgeting tool built on 4 core rules. Over here, these rules include giving every dollar a job, planning for infrequent expenses, adjusting your budget as needed, and aging your money to spend funds that are at least 30 days old. After that, let's talk about its pros and cons. Over here, the pros of YNAB include
Comprehensive features, expense tracking, goal setting, and reporting tools. User-friendly interface suitable for both beginners and experienced budgeters. Cross-platform accessibility available on web, iOS, and Android. After that, the cons of YNAB are requires a subscription might not be ideal for budget-conscious users. Data stored on YNAB's servers limited control over financial information. Now, let's talk about actual budget. Over here, Actual Budget is an open source, local first budgeting app that also follows the envelope budgeting method. After that, it focuses on user control and flexibility. Then, let's look at its pros and cons. Now, the pros of Actual Budget include cost effective, free to use, with optional cost for hosting or bank sync. Data ownership, users have full control over their financial data. Customization, open source, allowing for personalization and community contributions. After that, the cons of actual budget are technical setup may require some knowledge for self hosting. Feature development, some features like spending reports and goal tracking are still improving. Now, let's move on to my recommendation. Over here, go with YNAB if you want a polished, feature rich budgeting tool and don't mind a subscription fee. After that, choose actual budget if you prefer a free or low cost solution and value complete data privacy and control. So that's how you can decide between YNAB and actual budget. That's all for this video.